5,000, Mike.
5,000, Mike. I get 5,100.
Already had that one.
5,000, Mike. Going once, twice. Sold.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, come on. What is that? Normal. One thing I'm a little worried about is the fact that there's so many cockroaches at the front door there. Static sensitive material. Oh, come on. What did I just spend $5,000 on?
I can't hear a thing.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, pirates of all ages, we are here. We're at the auctions. Another one of these days where we're getting to bid in our car online, public storage. Let's see how it goes. One of my favorite spots. I bought some good ones here in my day, some really good ones. There's 5, then we got a few more. Let's get started.
5, and same thing as always. Just make sure you stay in your cars. Have the one device on, so we don't have the background noise. And whoever wins the bid comes into the office to do the paperwork. Got 48 hours to clear the space. Other than that, we are all set. Okay, I'm gonna run the video for the first one here. And the first one is C21. C21. It's a 5x10. 100% full. K35. K35, it is an 8x12, 75% full. 8x12, 75% full.
Ooh, all work and no play. Psych, we're just kidding. We're here. It's the second stop, 10x30. I'm excited because I love 10x30s. Got to get my video edited, so we're just multitasking. The one good thing about these auctions where we just sit in our cars, we get to do stuff like this.
10x30, first door.
Is that a business?
It was not signed up as a business though. It's an individual. They've been here since 2002. I'm gonna do one more round and I'm gonna go to the next door, okay? Okay.
There you go, yes.
Second door.
Mike.
Mike at 250, you get 300.
500.
Who's 500?
Marco.
Marco at 500, you get 600.
Mike.
Mike at 600, you get 700.
1,000, Marco.
1,000, Marco, you get 1,100.
1,500, Mike.
1,500, Mike, you get 2,000.
Yeah, Marco.
Marco at 2,000, can you get 2,500?
3,000, Mike.
3,000, Mike, you get 3,500.
Yeah, 35.
3,500, Marco, can you get 4,000.
Mike.
Mike at 4,000, get 4,500. 4,000, Mike, you get 4,500.
41.
4,000,
4,100. 4,100, Marco.
4,100, Marco, can you get 4,500.
4,200, Mike.
4,200, Mike, you get 4,300. 4,200, Mike. Going once, twice.
4,300, Marco.
4,300, Marco. Get 4,400.
45, Mike.
4,500, Mike. Can I get 4,600?
46, Marco.
46, Marco. Get 4,700.
5,000, Mike.
5,000, Mike. I get 5,100.
Already had that one.
5,000, Mike. Going once, twice. Sold. 5,000, Mike.
All right, we just got this unit for $5,000, sitting since 2002. It showed a little bit of office stuff, etc., but I'm a gambling man. It's been sitting since 2002. I believe there's something really good in this unit. I just have this feeling. It's what I do. I look for these units. We're about to take a look. All right, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, come on. What is that? What did I do? What did I do? Let's see. Oh, please be something good in here. Okay, so I don't see my exact model, but I see these things selling for a little bit of money. What is in here? What did I do? Hanging folders. That's a lot of computer stuff. What did we get, Michael? Paper trays. This is not what I felt it to be right off the bat, but there's a whole box of these. Opet electronic device. Let's see what this is. I'm gonna have to jump down. Okay, I see a bunch. There's quantity of 20 in here. I don't know what the heck I'm looking at. So, ooh. Okay. It is it's a wire. There's 20 of them in there. Okay. 20 of those. What in the world did we get here? I don't freaking know. Oh my gosh, look at that. Can it be this one? This one is 900 bucks. I gotta find one. Oh, that literally is 7-inch binders. Taiwan. Okay, so that's a garbage box. We need more like that one. Please be more of those. What is this? Circuit boards. What did I get myself into? We gotta look this up now. I have no idea what I did, but module. Let's see what this is. Let's drive over to the other side and we're gonna see what's on the other side. Okay, those don't look very valuable. What is all this stuff? same thing. All right, so hopefully these are worth 200 bucks a pop, because we'll get our money back in those in no time. There's all these things right here that are like brand new, but what are they? Interesting. Now those look crazy. What are they? Can we even see this in here? CAD dock. I have no idea what these are. They just say CADOC on them. They're old computer parts, but I got cases of them. Cases. There's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 cases of them or so. 2,400 per case. I don't know what the hell they do. I'm taking this one home. I'll research it, see what I got there. I'm feeling like there's going to be some money in here, but it's going to be a different type of sale than normal. One thing I'm a little worried about is the fact that there's so many cockroaches at the front door there that I'm not gonna just ooh, static sensitive material. Oh, come on. There's a quantity of 432 line feed resistor. Okay. Okay, I have no idea what that is. I don't really want to open it, guys. Let's see if we can just get one to slide off. Oh wow, these are bucks right here. Look at that, line feed resistors. I don't know what that is, but I have a feeling that there's money here. Not your quick, I'm gonna buy a storage unit and slap it and make some money, but this right here is something that you're not gonna see every day. And there's just tons of them, whatever they are. Let's see what this says. Wow, I don't think we can even see in here at this point, guys. Let's just look at the manifest here. Line feed resistors. Okay, 4,000 of them in that one package. There's got to be something really expensive in here somewhere. We'll have to come back another day because it's getting too hot for me. Oh, what are these? Compass components. Oh, wow. Okay. Oh. What are these? More of these VQ systems. System tray, parts, whatever those are, I have no idea. There's so much stuff here. I just want to look and see what's in there because I want to find whatever this was. What goes in these and what were they making? Those seem like expensive pieces. So much to look through here. I don't know. I guess I'm going to call it a wrap because, like I always say, you make the profit once you buy it. I've learned to slow down a little bit, not be in a hurry. We'll take these two pieces home for research. We'll list those and we'll see what we can do. Whew. What's in this? I don't know. I want to see what's in one of these. Let's see. Oh, it's just paperwork. Okay. We'll find something in here. I know we will. Something in here will have value. Like that. With that being said, guys, we're gonna call this a wrap and I'm gonna go on home. There's nothing I could do here. The cockroaches worry me and I gotta figure out, what did I just spend $5,000 on? Well, I'm sweating my storm up. First off, nothing adventured, nothing gained. You guys see me buy a lot of crazy units and everybody wonders whether I make money or not. But the fact is, quite often it pays off. This is not your normal stuff, but it's all new and I still believe that there's a chance to make profit. I just gotta find the right buyer. We'll see. I'm gonna go home and try to do some research, see what I can come up with, and yeah, you guys tell me what you think in the comment section below.